It is evident of the organization's commitment to build for the future of its members' interest, your organization's vast impact on Fiji's tourism industry, and your support to the livelihoods of ordinary Fijians, including our Taukei landowners. I want to especially acknowledge the timing of this event during the COVID-19 pandemic, when our borders were closed, our economy was contracting. Tour commitment to this project created activity and confidence in our tourism sector when Fiji needed it most, and we thank you. Now we can recover together and add to the tens of thousands of guests across generations who stayed here for the past 3 decades. The Sheraton Fiji Golf and Beach Resort continues to provide employment to about 600 people